When I was 4, I was at Chuck E. Cheese's, like rocking out at Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese is not fursuit though.
No, he fell on me. So ever since then, I've been terrified of like fucking fursuits. I'm like,
How did you get into the furry fandom?
because I love them, but I'm like, haha, get away.
It could be worse. You could be turned into.
Yeah. I'm like scared as hell of zombies, and they're making like a
I hate
huge.
zombies. Oh, known fact about Fuego.
Oh.
When I dream, I only dream about the zombie apocalypse.
Are you serious?
That's the only dreams that I remember.
Okay.
And it used to be scary, but it's not anymore. I'll just be like in my dream, I need like a shovel or a rifle.
And you like open up your backpack and it's there.
I know. Everything's ready. I'm like, just another day at the job for the zombie apocalypse.
No,
I'm so used to it. It's the only dreams I have, Garrett.
My husband made me watch. Oh God, what was that last funny zombie movie?
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead. I paced the house for hours afterwards looking out the window. Scared to like move too close to the window in case they saw me. I'm like peeping out the eye hole. Yeah. Then I had nightmares for forever. And then
I cried. Is that bad? When his mother was like, I'm like, no, mommy.
I cried.
Shaun
Thank you.
of the Dead?
Yeah. When he had to shoot his mom.
See, I'm never really scared because I have the Great Pyrenees, and she barks like when insects land on the house.
Have you seen I Am Legend?
No.
I didn't think that was scary.
No. Because that part, there's a part in it where he has to like kill his dog.
Yeah,
What?
What part was that?
Yeah, because she turned into one of the revenants.
I did not even watch that now.
Yeah, and it was so sad because he was like trying to give her the cure, and he's like holding her, and he's like watching as she turns into one, and like he looks down, and she's like, "Rah!" And he's like strangling her.
I can never watch that movie again.
I was living in Galveston at the end of a pier, okay? Well, I was living at the end of a pier. Wasn't supposed to be. And all my friends thought for Halloween, a good thing to do would be have a zombie invasion
Of your peer.
of my pier.
You have dogs.
Well, nowhere to go. I got a shotgun, and I'm loading it. I'm shaking and crying, loading the shotgun. And wait, hang on. There's this big glass door, right? And my roommate, she like runs up to the door. She's like banging on the glass, like no. And I'm like crying and loading it, and the billets are falling on the floor. I'm like, fuck.
Shoot yourself in the butt.
No, almost. And I clipped it up, and I look at her. She's like, no, it's good. It's makeup. It's good. And I was like, I should shoot you anyway.
I have a shotgun. I got the 45 under the bed.
Prepared for the zombie
Cool shotgun.
Paul has a website.
Dude, the book.
Have you read it? Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
That guy signed my copy. He came to our college and gave a talk about it. And he
They're
did
making
totally
a movie. They're making a movie.
Like he came in and he was like totally serious. Like
This
is
could
what you
happen
need to do.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like a totally serious talk. He didn't like entertain the idea that he was joking
At
in
all,
The slightest.
at
It was
all.
wonderful.
You know what? He probably is like dead serious.